Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to lock private browsing with Face ID on Safari with your M4 iPad. So the first step is to launch Settings, and in Settings scroll and select Apps. Under Apps, look for Safari and tap on it. Then in your Safari settings, look for the option Require Face ID to unlock private browsing. Tap on the toggle next to it to enable this feature. And now, when you go to launch Safari, then the next step to enable private browsing is to tap on this plus icon or to view all the tabs that you have enabled. And then from here, tap on this side panel and select private. Use your Face ID to unlock. Then you can start browsing privately. You can choose to add more tabs for private browsing. And then when you wish to close them, then go back to your previous tabs, and then you'll need your Face ID to unlock again for private browsing. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.